Hi guys, today I will give you a demo on this coffee grinder. This one is Baratza Encore ESP. Okay, so this is great for grinding espresso coffee beans. So you can see there's different setup for different grind size. So you can see here from I think 1 to 20 is for espresso, and this one is for from 20 to I think 30 to 40. 20 to 40 is for filtered coffee or pressed coffee. Okay, so first I'm going to remove this one. Replace it with the small one for the espresso. Yeah. Then I have here 5 sets of beans, so I can try different ground size. But make sure when you're turning this one, the container is empty, or if it is full, then you can turn only while it is running. Okay, let's try. Just pour the 4 beans here. By the way, I'm not an expert about this, so I just purchased this for my home use. So, right, try to set this to, I think this is 40. Okay, and turn the switch or press the button. I just try to press the button because that will be a short while. Yep. Okay. That's the 40 setting. So I try the 30. Make sure it is empty, then set this to 30. Okay. Now put the second set. Beans. Yep. Then cover. This back here. No. Nothing much. So this is 30. Then try to turn this one to 20. So basically this is already espresso, right? So maybe try this 21 and 20. So let's see. Okay, another beans. This back. Try to shake a bit. Okay. That's really fine. Then set this one to maybe 10. We'll put this bean and then cover again. Okay, number 10. Really fine. Oops. Then the last one, so I just set this to 0. That should be very fine. This one in. Okay. There you go. Now you can see the differences. So this one is coarse one, number 40. Then this one is 30, 21. I should have used 20, but I think it should be very close. Then this one really fine at 10. This one at 0. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you are able to learn something about this video. And again, this is Baratza coffee grinder and Encore ESP. Okay, thank you for watching.